Log into your Twitter account. Open the Social Media Posts, the 1 Hour Workweek Google document in another tab. Choose any of the posts under the Twitter post category. Scroll down the pages under the Twitter post category and use the posts where you see an attached image that says Download Image. Click this link to retrieve the image that is redirected from our Dropbox account. Enter your tweet into the Compose box at the top of your home timeline, or click the Tweet button in the navigation bar. Copy and add the image. Copy and paste the post text with the hashtags for optimization. Don't forget to connect your personal affiliate link to these posts so that you receive credit for all prospects who become active members. Important, make sure you remove the bracket when you insert your affiliate link. Your post will not function properly if you don't do this. Click the Tweet button to post the tweet to your profile. Note: show the post plus image on your social media page to show what it looks like. Click the link to show that it worked to redirect to our website homepage.